Hi everybody, I'm just out for my nature walk. Nature walks, the benefits. Why are nature walks good for the mind and body? Number 1, physical health. The benefits of nature walking. Physically, nature walking is known to lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. It helps with sleep, which is very important for physical recovery after exercise. Number 2, mental health. Nature walks can lower stress and anxiety by lowering cortisol levels. Cortisol is a hormone associated with stress. Walking is a great way to improve your mood. It enhances creativity and focus, and it helps you feel more grounded in the present moment. Walking in nature is simple, yet a powerful way to improve your emotional well-being. Number 3, happy hormones. Did you know that nature walks activate all the happy hormones in your body? Even a short walk in nature can take you away from the worries of the day. The landscape and wildlife you encounter during a nature walk directly affect the emotional center of your brain. Exposure to natural sunlight supports the body's healthy sleep patterns. So how about leaving your phone down for a while and spend some time in nature? Number 4, strengthens your musculoskeletal system. Toning. Walking tones your legs and abdominal muscles and even your arm muscles if you pump them as you walk. Improving balance and coordination. Natural paths often have inclines and uneven ground, which can challenge your body and help improve your balance and coordination. So all in all, nature has long been known to have a calming and rejuvenating effect on the mind and body. Here we have some flowers for you to enjoy. Flowers have many effects on nature and people, including ecosystems. Flowers are essential to the balance of ecosystems, providing food and habitats for many organisms, including insects, birds, and mammals. For example, bees rely on flowers for nectar and pollen, which are essential for their survival and for the pollination process that helps many plants reproduce. Flowers also put nutrients back into the soil and promote biodiversity.